Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that BUILDon token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, BUILDon is a BNB smart chain project and token designed as a primary building and infrastructure layer for the USD1 stablecoin ecosystem, aiming a transition from a meme inspired identity to a utility driven platform. Core mission: act as the builder for the USD1 stablecoin, creating real-world use cases, liquidity and cross-chain infrastructure, technology and expansion. Originated on BSC as a BP20 token and is expanding to multi-chain ecosystem, including Ethereum, to broaden USD1 token utility. The B token facilitates governance, staking, and provides access to ecosystem services like a planned cross-chain launchpad. BUILDon project institution rating is 4. BUILDon token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion B token. B token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, MEXC, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.